Good morning, room 2. I'm going to be doing the lesson for week 3, day 4, the comparison and contrast chart. So I'm kind of behind the screen so that we can see my chart pretty well. We need to make sure we have week 3, day 4 chart. And then what we're doing is we're going to compare two selections. We've been doing a lot of that, right? We're going to be identifying what is different about two stories or two readings and what is the same. And the two readings we're going to compare are I Hear with My Ears, we read a while ago, last week, and The Light Around Us, which was our focus reading this week. So it's a good idea to go through both texts first, go through the whole thing, do a little walkthrough. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough for some reminders. But again, our goal is to find a few things that are different between the two and a couple things that are the same between the two selections. So a quick look at I Hear with My Ears. Think about what you remember about this selection. Okay. And then I see we had illustrations in this one. And, oh, yep, this was a rhyming story. This was a rhyming story, and she's describing the different things that she hears. Different kinds of sounds that are out there, loud ones, soft ones. Okay. Take a look at that story again, and then this week our focus was the light around us. Ooh, different kinds of pictures, huh? This one is nonfiction and it has photographs, lots of photographs to help us learn about the topic. And the photographs that they give us have captions telling us what's happening in the pictures. This was telling us about how light can shine through clear objects, cloudy objects, and then the solid objects where the light can't go through, right? Okay, so I have all my stuff ready. I'm going to start adding some facts. Well, so we're going to start adding some examples here. So I Hear with My Ears was a rhyming story. Lots of fun rhymes in that story. So I'm going to write that here because The Light Around Us was not a rhyming story. So we're not really writing sentences, right, boys and girls? We're just taking notes. Rhyming story. And what kind of reading was The Light Around Us? There's different things we could call it. We could say nonfiction, informational, different words we could use. I'm going to use the word informational. It's giving us information on a topic. Information. Oh boy, look how far that word went. That's a big one. Informational. Okay, both of the readings were about our senses. Okay, hearing, seeing, they both covered that topic. So in the middle, I'm going to put about senses. Oopsies, marker, I'm going to have to just cross it out. Senses. They're both about senses. Okay, now I hear with my ears. Let's think about the pictures in it. The I hear with my ears had illustrations, right? Illustrations. And then what kind of pictures did the light around us have? Photos, real pictures. So I'm going to put photos. That was an important difference between the two. Okay, and then also something that the light around us had in it that was not in I hear with my ears was the table of contents part and glossary, index. It had those text features that our I hear with my ears rhyming story didn't have. Okay, so that's going to go over with the light around us. It had a table of contents. It had a glossary. And it had an index. And these are features we see in our nonfiction selections a lot of the time. Table of contents, glossary, and index, not in I hear with my ears. Okay, let's think of something else that is alike. Now, even though this was nonfiction giving us facts, we also got facts in I hear with my ears, even though this was a rhyming story. They both gave us facts about hearing, listening, using senses. So I'm going to say that they both give facts, even though one was a rhyming story and one was nonfiction. They both give facts. Okay, and I'm going to stop right there. You are welcome to add more examples of things that are different and alike in your comparison and contrast chart. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye, room 2.